Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what many consider the best E17 base light bulb available on the market, the Maelsrlg E17 Intermediate Base LED Bulb. If you're searching for an efficient, long-lasting, and bright lighting solution for your ceiling fans or other fixtures requiring an E17 base, this 6-watt LED bulb is designed to deliver outstanding performance while saving you money on your energy bill. First off, the Maelsrlg E17 LED bulb offers a 60-watt incandescent equivalent brightness, which means you get all the light output you'd expect from a traditional 60-watt bulb, but with only 6 watts of power consumption. This translates to up to 90% energy savings, making it an excellent choice for those looking to reduce electricity costs without compromising on lighting quality. One of the standout features of this bulb is its daylight white color temperature, rated at 5000 Kelvin. This bright, natural light closely mimics the clarity and crispness of sunlight at noon, making it ideal for areas like kitchens, basements, or study rooms where clear, focused illumination is essential. The 600 lumens output ensures your space is well lit, enhancing visibility and ambiance. The design is a G14 globe shape with an intermediate E17 base, perfect for ceiling fans and similar fixtures. It's non-dimmable, so while it reaches full brightness instantly, it's not compatible with dimmer switches. Keep this in mind when installing, as using a dimmer could cause performance issues. Durability is another strong point. Constructed with top-quality materials, the bulb is shock-resistant, shatter-resistant, and produces very low heat, which not only improves safety but also contributes to its long lifespan, rated over 20,000 hours. This means fewer replacements, which adds to the cost savings over time. Environmentally, the Maelsrlg LED bulb is an eco-friendly option. It contains no mercury, produces no UV or infrared rays, and is fully recyclable. It also operates silently without any buzzing or humming noises, which is a common issue with some CFL or fluorescent bulbs. Installation is straightforward due to its standard E17 intermediate base, making it a hassle-free upgrade to older incandescent or halogen bulbs. Whether you're refreshing your ceiling fan lights or any fixture compatible with E17 bases, this pack of 6 bulbs offers excellent value and performance. Lastly, Maelsrlg supports this product with an 18-month worry-free guarantee. Should any issues arise, you can expect replacement or refund assistance, providing peace of mind with your purchase. In summary, the Maelsrlg E17 Intermediate Base LED Bulb combines energy efficiency, bright daylight illumination, long life, and durable build quality in one affordable package. It's a smart lighting upgrade for any home or workspace using E17 base fixtures, especially ceiling fans. If you're looking to brighten your space while saving on energy and maintenance, this bulb is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. See you next time.